Mr. President. Welcome to our new home. May I welcome you to an office which is a bit of an act of faith. We were very privileged that you joined us for our 30th anniversary as 91, and you kindly agreed to the guest speaker, and you were the highlight.
Congratulations in opening this building that looks so beautiful, and all of you, I'm sure, will be so well motivated. Your morale should go up when you work in such a beautiful building. Now, if I were to work here, I tell you, the performance would go way up. So you are lucky to be working here.
We're grateful, Mr. President, not just for your presence tonight, but also for your devotion to our country and your commitment to always creating a better tomorrow for all of us. Thank you. Long live the President.